Every API needs rate limiting. Logging tells you what traffic is doing, but rate limiting decides what traffic is allowed to do. Without it, one misbehaving client, bot, or integration can consume capacity that should belong to everyone. Rate limiting protects 4 things: availability, fairness, cost, and contracts. It keeps servers from being overwhelmed, prevents one client from monopolizing capacity, limits expensive operations like AI calls or database searches, and enforces usage tiers. The simplest limiter is a fixed window. Count requests for a user during a fixed time block, such as 1 minute. If the count is under the limit, allow the request. If it is over the limit, return HTTP 429. This is easy to build, but it has a boundary problem. A client can send requests at the end of 1 minute and again at the start of the next minute, creating a short burst that is almost double the intended limit. The token bucket is usually the best default for APIs. Imagine a bucket that holds tokens. Tokens refill at a steady rate, and each request consumes 1 token. If the bucket has tokens, the request is allowed. If the bucket is empty, the request is rejected. This allows controlled bursts while still keeping the long-term average rate stable. A sliding window limiter looks at the actual last n seconds instead of a calendar minute. It stores request timestamps, removes expired ones, and counts the remaining requests. This is more accurate and avoids fixed window boundary bursts, but it uses more memory because every request timestamp has to be tracked. In production, rate limiting often has to work across multiple app instances. Redis gives every instance the same shared state. The important detail is atomicity. Use a Lua script or transaction so the counter update, expiration, and decision happen together. Also set TTLs so limiter keys do not live forever. The common mistakes are limiting only by IP, forgetting retry after and remaining limit headers, using non-atomic Redis writes, applying one limit to every route, and not logging rate limit decisions. Login, search, checkout, and AI endpoints usually need different policies. Use fixed windows when you need simple quotas. Use token buckets for most APIs because they balance bursts and steady throughput. Use sliding windows when accuracy matters most. And when your app runs on multiple instances, put the limiter state in Redis and keep the update atomic.